Hi, hi everyone. Um, I hope you guys doing well. And this is the continuation of the project management series. So it's project communication. Project communication is the base of running a project. Without a good communication, it's difficult to do everything and organize everything. So here is a project communication plan. It's in the PMBOK. So what we do in the project communication is project communication plan is the generation and distribution of project documents, generation and distribution of project documents among all project stakeholders. So this called project communication plan, in which you generate documents and then distribute it to the all project stockholders. And the main are the sponsor, our customer, our performing organization. These are the people or the organization who run the project, who provide money and support to the project. So they usually mention in project charter and what are their requirements and what they want. Let's say if there is a 5-6 deliverables in the project, so maybe the sponsor, customer, or performing organization want that the first deliverable, if it's finished, then how it will be communicated to me. So it will be a written documents, and you have to send it and to these sponsor, customer, performing organization, which is the basic. And then there is the communication in between the team members, subcontractors, consultants, vendors, all other non-mentioned stakeholders. You know what? Because if you are working on a different project and they have a different type of nature, what they're producing or what they make or what their objective, so you can do your communication plan, what you have to do in that. So therefore I mentioned that all other non-mentioned stockholders. So there are different templates available in project management, so you can easily put the data and everything in that. Let's say the project scope documents, project quality documents, plan, risk management plan, work breakdown structures, responsibility assignment metrics, schedule. It's all about the project in which you're gonna communicate with all these stakeholders. Budget, project communication plan, and purchase orders is also usually templates. You have just to put the data according to your project, what you are doing. Percent complete reports, meeting, all types of meeting, review meeting and progress, to check the progress of the meeting. So acceptance of deliverables and many more. So, and you know what, these documents, who will generate it, that's mentioned in the project plan, who will mention it. And the frequency mean the date you send, when the generation you generate a documents and then you send it to the stakeholders, so you have to mention the date and the frequency. It's already mentioned in project plan. Like the frequency means that the sponsor want every 15 days, or the performing organization want every 15 days that you have to update us about the budget, schedule and scope, or the purchase orders which they buy for the project. And ICA I will explain in the table. I have prepared a template. I will explain in next lecture video. And then there is a recipient to whom you sending this. You have to mention also these 5-6 things. and this is it will be written. So there are many way of communicating. Number first is writing. You write down. You can do by email, you can do by person, you can do in computer, you can use email communication through email. So there are many ways you can communicate with all these stakeholders, and then you have to put all these data. The written form data will be in your project in your head office. Separate section of all these things, which called a database. In your computer, in the official computer of the project database, you have to keep all this in the repository, date, documents, and who can pick it and who can put it again or who can make changes. That's another topic of communication. So today's everything is like computer, internet, computer, like teleconferencing, video conferencing, web conferencing, sending data. Even if you are using smartphones like Samsung, iPhone, or other companies' phones, where you can store data and you can send email, attachment email to all stakeholders, and then you put all data in your phone at one section, and then you give it send it to the database, central database, where they can put all these things. So today is like many things of communication, but these are the basic. Writing is actually whatever we do in government or projects. If we do computer or electronic communication or by internet or anything, but we keep the hard copy in the office. And another data which we have generated in the computer or mobile or desktop, so that's another database. So we also put copy of their database. So you know what? These are the things which come under lesson learned. So in the meeting then. So this is called project communication plan. You have to prepare all these things at the beginning, and later on you can change it a little. I hope you guys got the idea, and thank you. Bye.